Hello everyone, and welcome to this tutorial. In this video, we'll show you how to avoid the infinity mirror issue in Google Meet. If you've been facing this problem, don't worry, the solution is simple. To demonstrate, start by creating a new meeting and choose Start an Instant Meeting. Once you're in the meeting, click on the Present Now or Share button. You'll see three sharing options: a browser tab, a window, and your entire screen. If you select entire screen, it will cause the infinity mirror effect, so you should avoid that option. Instead, choose a specific browser tab or a particular window. For example, you can select a file folder from Windows Explorer or a specific website tab, then click Share. This way, the content will appear in Google Meet without creating the infinite mirror effect. Similarly, if you want to share a website like Yahoo, simply choose that specific browser tab and share it. By always sharing a single tab or window instead of the whole screen, you can easily avoid the infinity mirror issue in Google Meet.